Hi, I'm going to show you how easy it is to create a conjoint study with Survey Analytics Enterprise Research Platform. First I'm going to log in and I'm going to create a new survey. Create a new survey from scratch. I'm going to give it a name, and today's survey is going to be about puppies. Choose a theme, finish, and then I'm going to add a question to the survey. Now, Conjoint is under add-on modules, and it's discrete choice conjoint. And here's where we enter our conjoint choices. Under header, that's just the text of the question. So I'm going to say, please select which puppy you would choose. And features are the different features that you could have. So my features are going to be breed, and you see that it fills in down below. Price, size, and personality. Under breed, I'm going to give the choices of standard poodle, labradoodle, and golden doodle. Price, I'm going to give choices of $250 and $350. And each of the features does not have to have the same number of levels. Levels are what we call the different options within each feature. For size, I'm going to give three choices: 50 pounds, 60 pounds, and 75 pounds. And that's, of course, the full-grown size. And for personality, I'm going to give choices of sweet and energetic. Okay, next I'm going to select how many tasks and how many concepts per task. Now the task count is, and there's a helpful how-to here. The tasks in Conjoint are going to be the number of choices that you give, so the number of times somebody has to choose. And the concepts per task are the number of choices. So for each for each task, rather, I'm going to have three concepts, so three possible concepts. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give 5 tasks, and I'm going to give 3 concepts per task. I'm going to save that question. And here's a summary of the question. This is not what the respondent sees. You also can you can prohibit certain pairs or fix certain tasks. So if there are combinations that would never make sense. For example, and I'm just making this up, but if a standard poodle would never be 50 pounds, then you can prohibit that, because that'll make it look closer to what is the case in real life. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you the question by doing preview. And here we have 3 different possible options, and I'm going to go through, and you'll see there are going to be 5 opportunities to choose. You see it goes through all the different possible combinations. Okay, now I've gone through this survey about 10 times just to put some data in there to show you what the reporting looks like. So I click Reports, and I see that it's been done 10 times. And for the different attributes, you have a relative importance score. So here, if this were real data, it would show that breed is the most important attribute. And within it, labradoodle is by far has the highest coefficient. Then price is the second most, followed closely by size, and you can see how the different levels score within each attribute. If you'd like to see a complimentary webinar on Conjoint, go to bit.ly/SA Conjoint webinar, and And that'll take you to a link where you can download a video of a full webinar about 45 minutes long that goes into much more detail. Thanks.